Hello guys, this is Ibrahim Babatunde from Data Analytics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean this data. If you look at this table in Microsoft Excel, you will see that I have a category as well as name. Okay, I want to fill this field down till we have cashew, and also to back till we have cassava, and so on and so forth. Okay, it's very simple in Microsoft Excel. And I also employ Power Query to solve the same, as well as SQL query to achieve this objective as well. Okay, now to do this in Microsoft Excel, what you need is just to highlight all your table first. Once you have done that, just press Ctrl G. Once you have pressed Ctrl G, then click on Special. Okay, you will see I want blank. Click on blank, then press OK. Okay, you can see that it has highlighted all the blank cells for me. Then press equal sign, then you reference the first one here, which is fruit. Okay, and press Ctrl Enter. As you can see it, that I have already filled it down, and that is what we refer to as filled down. And you can see that I've cleaned this data now. It has removed all the null from the category, and it has replaced it with necessary thing or item or value. Okay, now let me do the same in Power Query. To do this in Power Query, the first thing I need to do is to convert this to table. Ctrl T to convert it to table, then click OK. Okay, once you have done this, then go to data ribbon. Then from table, since I don't want to import data, just click here to take me to Power Query. I'm already in Power Query. As you can see it, I have this none, no, 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 no. To clean this none and fill it with the top category. Okay, now what you need to do is just to right click on this category column, right click, then come to fill here, fill menu. You can see up or down. Then I want to fill down, then click on fill down. As you can see it, I have the same result as Microsoft Excel, and you can see that it's even easier in Power Query, and that is why we usually say that Power Query is your go-to whenever you want to clean your data. Okay, as you have seen this now, I have the same result. Now let me move to my SQL to do the same. I've replicated this data in my SQL workbench. I've written the query. As you can see it, create about all fruit. Use all fruit create table. Now let me call it. Let me call this table. Okay, to call it, just say select. Select. That is the keyword. Select. Then I want to select all the column from where? From first table. First table. They have suggested it for me. Then I want to close it now. Now let me run it so that we can see the table. As you can see it, I have the table as I have it in Microsoft Excel now. Now, I also want to fill this down, okay, the way we did it in Microsoft Excel and Power Query. Now, to do this now, let me firstly show you something. If you can think it, then you can solve it. The essential thing in my SQL and other analytical tools is just to take around all the instruments or tools that at your disposal and how you can play them together to achieve your objective. Now, let me firstly show you this select what I want to select. I want to select those columns. I want to select those columns. I want to select ID column, comma. I want to select category as well, category, comma. Then I also want to count. I want to count category. Let me count that category. Okay. Let me firstly select name. Then let me count category, and I will use window function here to count my category so that it can classify them. Count. Okay. Count what I want to count. I want to count category. Okay. Then this is window. You will say over what. I don't need to partition anything. I don't need partition. I just need order by. I want to order by ID. Okay. Then let me call this name. Let me call it category count. Cat underscore count. Okay, you can use as if you like, so that you will know that I name it cat count. Okay, that is the last column I need here. Now, from where? From where? From which table? From fruits. Fruits. Then let me close it and run it and see what will happen. Yeah, as you can see it, that what my SQL, okay, we do here is once he has seen this fruit as category and he does not see anything below it, it will count everything as one, as you can see it. And when it moves to the second category, which is tuber, it has seen it as count it two until it reach another category. As you can see it, I have classified this fruit, okay, I've clustered it. As you can see it, one, that is fruit. And whenever you see tuber, you can see that that is two. If you move down, you can see that legume 3, while this 3 is 4. I've clustered it and I've divided them into different cluster or group. Now, it will be very possible for me now to fill this down, okay, but I have to firstly name this table. I have to create it like effectual table, okay. To create effectual table, I make use of common table expression, which is referred as CTA. Okay, now I will now say width. Let me use Tunde. You can use any name. Tunde as. Okay, let me put this down now. Then you will now give this parentheses as. Okay, let me hand it here. I don't need this close thing for now. Now I have this now. This is table I have, and I've named it Tunde now. Now I will now make use of one function in a window. Okay, which is referred to as first value. We now say select. What I want to select ID command. I want to select category. Let me select category. Category again, category. Okay. Now this category, am I needing? No, don't let me select the category. Let me use first value for the category as I said it. Okay. I will now say first value, as you can see it. Then first value of category, uh, category category. Okay, it's a window as well. It's a window function. We say over, and I want to partition it now. Partition. Okay, partition by what? I want to partition it by category count. Cat underscore count. Okay. Command. I already have ID. Have category count. Okay, no, I don't need. I have to close my parentheses here. Then I need to order it. Okay, let me order it by ID. Let me order it. Say order by ID. As you can see it, then let me give it command. I should give it a name. Okay, let me name it as the normal category now. Let me name it as category. Okay, let me put as. If you don't put as, it will still work. Category. Okay. I still need what I need to name. Let me put a name, command, and name. Okay. Then we now say, excuse me. Now say from where? From the factual table I created other than which I named Tunde, from Tunde. Now I can now close it and let me run it and see what will happen now. Wow, that's great. As you can see it, that with this query, I achieved the same thing that I did in Microsoft Excel, in Power Query, as well as written SQL query to do the same. I believe that you found this video interesting and useful. If you go to any interview and they ask you to do this kind of things, once you have the experience of how you will go about that, then it's very, very easier for you to do. Say me, you're Ibrahim Babatunde from Data Tech Analytics. Till next time we meet, I say bye to you.